Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Susanti Tio. I'm from 3H of English Education Program, and this is my final project for translation and interpreting course. So, let's start the video.
Lebih dari sepekan banjir bandang melanda Kecamatan Palembayan, Kabupaten Agam, Sumatera Barat. Tim SAR dan warga harus berjuang melawan hujan deras yang turun lagi. Upaya evakuasi dan bantuan bagi korban terdampak dihentikan sementara. Berikut penelusuran kontributor TV One Donald Chaniago.
Flash floods have been hitting Palembayan District, Agam Regency, West Sumatra for more than a week. Search and rescue teams and residents have had to battle renewed heavy rain. Evacuation and aid efforts for affected victims have been temporarily suspended. The following is an investigation by TV One contributor Donald Chaniago.
Hujan deras kembali turun di kawasan terdampak bencana banjir bandang dan tanah longsor di Kecamatan Palembayan, Kabupaten Agam, Sumatera Barat.
Heavy rain is fallen again in areas affected by flash flood and landslides in Palembayan District, Agam Regency, West Sumatra.
Kawasan Palembayan Salareaya ini tempat daerah yang terparah diterjang banjir bandang pekan lalu. Kondisinya sekarang hujan deras, di mana untuk sementara waktu upaya pencarian korban yang masih belum ditemukan sementara waktu dihentikan.
In the Palembayan area, Salareaya, this is the area that was worst hit by the flash floods last week. The current situation is heavy rain, so for the time being, the search for victims who have not yet been found has been temporarily stopped.
Kita akan mencoba keluar dari titik ini, dari kawasan ini, karena intensitas hujan yang turun di sini sejak 1 jam yang lalu turun dengan sangat lebat, sangat deras. Kondisi jalan daerah perkampungan masyarakat, mana nih luluh lantak diterjang banjir bandang pekan lalu. Kita bisa lihat puing-puing masih berserakan di mana-mana.
We will try to get out of this spot, this area, because the intensity of the rain that has fallen here since the last hour has been very heavy. The condition of the roads, the residential areas here have been completely destroyed by the flash flood. We can see debris still scattered everywhere.
Ada rasa was-was saat hendak mencoba keluar dari lokasi bencana, lantaran banjir bandang susulan masih menghantui. Upaya evakuasi terhadap 80-an warga yang masih hilang serta distribusi bantuan dihentikan sementara oleh tim SAR gabungan.
There is a sense of anxiety when trying to leave the disaster area because aftershocks still haunt. Evacuation efforts for the 80 or so residents who are still missing and aid distribution have been temporarily held by the joint SAR team.
Di sungai inilah salah satu titik terparah yang terjadi banjir bandang hingga merenggut ratusan nyawa masyarakat Salareaya, Palembayan, Kabupaten Agam. Kondisi di bagian hulu kawasan sungai ini sedang diguyur hujan deras. Sementara waktu upaya pencarian masih dihentikan karena debit air cukup meningkat di kawasan sungai. Dari Kabupaten Agam, Sumatera Barat, Donald Chaniago, TV One mengabarkan.
This river is one of the worst affected areas, where flash floods occurred, claiming hundreds of lives of the people of Salare Aya, Palembayan, Agam Regency. Conditions in the upstream area of this river are currently experiencing heavy rain. Meanwhile, search efforts have been stopped because the water level in the river area has increased significantly. From Agam Regency, West Sumatra, Donald Chaniago, TV1 reports. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.